Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Microsoft Power BI PL300 exam series. This is your host Aapka Consultant bringing you episode 38. So yeah, first of all, happy new year to everyone, celebrating and wishing positive health and growth to each and everyone who are following this channel and improving their Power BI skills and planning to give this exam PL300 this year. So yeah, today's topic is workspaces in Power BI. Let's jump to question number 38. So the question says a retail company uses Power BI to track sales performance. The sales team needs access to the latest sales data while the marketing team requires the access to both sales and customer feedback data. Which approach ensures appropriate access while maintaining the data governance? Option A: create a single workspace for both teams and manage access at the report level. Option B: create separate workspaces for sales and marketing using role based access controls. Option C: grant all employees access to all data to encourage data democratization. And option D: use direct query for all data sources to control access through the database. So yeah, these are the four options. I'm gonna pause the video here for 10 seconds. You can think what is the solution for this question. Your time starts now. So yeah, time is up. Let's see what is the solution. So it's option B: create separate workspaces for sales and marketing team using role-based access controls. So as given from the question, we need to have workspaces for sales team and marketing team, right? So it's logical to create separate workspaces for both of them. So now let's look at the overall explanation. As you can see on this slide, it talks about for each option what is the what option does it mean, and the explanation, why it is correct or incorrect. You can pause the video here, you can go through it, right? And on this slide we have explanation regarding the option number D. Again, you can pause the video here, go through this explanation and boost your understanding on this topic. So it's a small topic. I don't have any Power BI demo on it, but we will go through a Microsoft Learn article, which is very helpful for preparing these topics which are coming in this exam. And coming to the resources, as again I have this Udemy course from for Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst specifically for this exam, and there is a Learn article. And now we will just look at the Learn article. Let me go to the article workspaces in Power BI. As you can see, it talks about the workspaces in general. You can access it on Power BI service, and there are different links. You can create a workspace, this pop-up option. Now you have to provide the workspace name with a small description, and then this is how it will appear in your Power BI service. And obviously you can upload a workspace, you can customize the workspace, you can add content, allows contributors. So there are a lot of things you can do. I will post this link in the description of this video. And specifically for the roles in workspace, you can create roles. There are four types of roles: admin, member, contributor and viewer. And there are different aspects to each and every role, right? There are different privileges given to them. As you can see on this table, for admin it is everything, every box is checked, right? Update and delete workspace. For member, contributor, viewer, the not there are certain capabilities which are not applicable to all of these, but for admin role each and everything is available, right? You can go through this article. I will post this link in the description, and yes, it will improve your understanding on this topic. So yeah, that pretty much sums up today's topic. Looking forward to make more videos frequently. I'm targeting to post 2 videos in this week. So yeah, keep learning and I will see you on to the next episode. Thank you for watching.